Yes, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Don't forget to subscribe. If you can't subscribe, at least because I see you are watching, at least just like. That's the least you can do. And comment down below, advice, criticize, and whatsoever. So thank you very much thank you very much. Okay, video sepela. Let's get straight to it. Famies, okay. Today we are making brunch. Brunch is a combination of breakfast and lunch. Shop, right? So I'm showcasing my ingredients. We're gonna have cucumber, mushroom, cheese, butter, and lettuce. Yeah. So let's get straight to it. And yeah, at the corner there, it's my basket of miracle spices and everything. Okay, first of all, you're gonna put low heat again. We are going to cook what is this? Mushrooms. So low heat, please, because we are using butter. So if you use butter with high heat, child of God, my brother, my sister, you will see flames. Okay, so yeah, I bought bigger mushrooms, and yeah, you see they're very nice and fresh. They look healthy. We're about to get straight to it. So make sure you chop your mushrooms, any size of your preference. It doesn't matter, and I prefer them big because why? Mushroom has water and it shrinks. Did I just say big and cut smallest? Okay, stop lying. So yeah, mushroom will shrink and una limits. So yeah, and sometimes when you cut, at first every time actually when you cook it, most of the time you'll think it's gonna be a lot, only to find out that it shrinks, and within a split of a second you have less mushroom than expected. So anyway, everything is chopped there, and yeah, let's see what happens, because I'm tired of talking and you all are not subscribing to start with. Why? Anyway, I'm just joking. Yo, Lena, let them crucify bo bondo. Lena batho you trust what gishamrana Jesus. Yo, anyway, my butter is ready and warm, and yeah, low heat, please. Low heat. Butter doesn't need a high heat. Low heat all the time. Ooh, but apologies, I'm tired. I'm tired. Content. Even when you are tired, you must show up. Throw it in there. Come a little bit closer. Yes, now it's clearly visible. Throw it in there. Throw it, and yeah, let's cook. It's there. Oh, on the other pot, I think it's eggs. I think I'm boiling eggs on the other pot. Yeah, I don't know. I can't remember. Let's just continue. The thing is that I took this content long ago and forgot to actually edit, so I can't remember what happened. So I'm just relying on this video to actually give me direction and try to memorize. Yeah, you see, I'm lowering my heat because it was responding that so another thing that I indicated, I don't like well cooked mushrooms because they change color. I always have cooked them, but they're still nice. So give me a cucumber there, please. That is cucumber, and I went somewhere to fetch other things because you forget. Content is a lot of work, especially cooking content. Like, it's not easy. I think vlogs are more better than cooking vlogs. This one you have to, sometimes you'll even put certain things like other ingredients and remember, I was supposed to take content. Really now? Do I really have to torture myself or what? But anyway, I believe in caring. Sharing is caring. So why can't I share? Because people be like, yo, what are you cooking? It looks nice. So to avoid asking a lot of questions, let's come here and watch and cook. So that is my lettuce and cucumber, and I don't know what's happening. Sorry, man, I forgot this video all completely. Okay, I'm preparing paper towel because I always wash my cooking or non-cooked veggies with a little bit of warm water and salt. If it's something that, for instance, it's a veggie or a fruit, like maybe your apples, your cucumbers, your lettuce, please make sure you wash them with warm water and salt. Reason being, you can't use a soap to wash. Okay, you can if you have the guard, obviously, duh. You can do whatever you want, but then to wash them, because we are not going to cook. They are not being cooked most of the time. So it is better to do what? To wash them first. Now, make sure you use your paper towel. Paper towel, it's my daily friend. Like, I can't live without paper towel. I can live without a faduk. Yeah, is it a cloth, kitchen cloth or whatsoever? I can live without that, but not a paper towel. So, I'm just chopping everything all together. Yeah, chop everything together, because in as much as you are making your brunches, your breakfast, make sure you balance your diet. Okay, under normal circumstances, and if things were well and good and accurate and where they're supposed to be, I think I was going to eat a balanced diet. But because of balanced diet is a little bit expensive, so we try at least put in like effort to show that you take yourself serious and the body. Guys, in as much as we are living in, under very strict and traumatizing economic factors or issues, we really need to take care of ourselves, invest in our bodies. We can avoid actually a lot of sicknesses by eating well. So if you get time, or when you have few coins, some cents, at least invest in buying healthy food. Like when you have your pap, you have your starch, that's where you actually throw in some veggies there and there. But I know it can be an issue to us. These things are expensive. If you have a yard and God has blessed you with your house, please just produce from the back of your yard. I beg you. So yeah, we are done chopping, and let's move straight to another part. You'll see. Don't worry. Cheesy. Cheesy, man. Cheesy, hey, cheesy, let's praise cheesy, kiri, cheesy, muchisoso. Yeah, get cheesy, this thing. I like this one. It's giving cheese, the real cheese, not the artificial ones. I don't know whether they're artificial or what, or modified or what. Cheese must cheeserize, okay? So yeah, these are buns. Okay, I don't know what type of buns are these, but one thing I can tell you, giddy buns. Hey, buns. So buns, I saw them and they looked attractive, and I was like, girls, I'm taking you home and you're going right straight into our stomach. So yeah, buns more like because it's quite big, It's quite big. It's a big buns. Yeah, it's a big buns. I think how many did I can't remember, but you can actually you can tell by the way I'm actually cutting it, or no, man, it's not here for games. This buns is huge, right? So yeah, I give buns more like a ruler, and then you guys are used to eating bread only. No, man, don't do that. Sometimes go a little bit extreme, try to spice things up. When they're in your house, they're still think, mama is going to bring bread, daddy's going to bring bread today. No, bring nice things. Surprise them. Bring ordinary stuff. I don't like ordinary stuff. Breakfast always breakfast always eat eggs. Okay, that's margarine. Is it margarine? Margarine, is it a brand or what? I don't know. But butter, something like that. And please don't judge me. Margarine, makaka. Ish cholesterol wise. I will learn, guys. But on the other hand, I'm just trying to bring the things that we actually do in our houses. That's why I'm saying in the beginning of this video, famous, I'm always saying we cook what we have. Because there are people just come and do food content whereby they're cooking the things that we usually don't process in our houses, such as your seafood. Yes, I know that those people who can afford seafood on a daily basis, but for a relatable day-to-day life in South Africa, we buy those things occasionally, unless if you have arrived. Obviously, we have people that have arrived. Okay, why am I mixing all this? Somebody will say butter, jam, and cheese and what? Can I give an assignment? One of the good days, that's my mushroom is done. One of the good days, mix your cheese and strawberry. Don't be scared to try things. Don't say, ew. Okay, we are done. I'll tell you the story about strawberry and cheese. Remind me, strawberry and cheese. Yes, that's my brunch, your mushroom cheese and lettuce and some nuggets, and we are done. We are done. Thanks for watching. Sorry I talked too much. Thanks for watching, and may God bless your families. Don't forget to like. If you can, at least subscribe. Make sure you like and comment down below. Ask questions, interact with me. Don't just watch only. So thank you very much. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye famies. Bye. Oh, is it still playing? Okay, fine. So, as I was saying, don't forget to subscribe. If subscription it's a problem, then just like. Bye-bye. I'll tell you about the strawberry.